Hi, I'm Jeremy Weatherall. I'm Managing Director of Jackson Windows. I've been involved with the business 12 years or so. Yeah, we're very proud to produce our own products. We have an aluminium factory, UPVC factory, and we also manufacture our own glass units. And we're very proud to do that because we know if we buy well, make well, we sell well. It's been a mission of mine to bring in graduates, bring in young, bright people and keep them, because if you haven't got the environment for them to thrive, they'll go. So we've put together quite extensive training programs and we've probably got half a dozen graduates in the business now. Our main products are UPVC windows, but we also manufacture doors, and that's both in UPVC and in aluminium. So we will do bifold doors in aluminium, we'll do patio doors. The customer is everything. I am acutely aware that it'll be one of the biggest purchases they'll make in the year, and we've got to deliver on that. I think windows give property a personality, and if we get it right, then it can transform the look of properties. And we've done that many times over the years. Customers need to be assured that when they buy products from us, we will not only give them fantastic customer service, but also we will deliver way beyond their expectations. And you haven't got to just believe me, because I would say that, but we have won numerous awards backing that up. And also we've got over 100 five-star Google reviews, and we're getting 2, 3, 4, 5 a month. So it's our customers that are prepared to go online and share their experiences with us. And I think that's fantastic. We are very proud of the quality of our production. We've got some state-of-the-art machinery that we've bought over the last few years. So that's very, very important to us. Jackson Windows predominantly will serve the East Midlands. We will tend to fit within an hour, stroke an hour and a half of Lincoln. So we've got quite a large catchment area. We have a showroom in Lincoln showing our latest products. And our factories are based in Lincoln as well. So we are a Lincoln business. The majority of our staff live in the Lincoln area. And if people want to come and see us, come and find us in Lincoln. If you do want to see our products and you can't get into Lincoln, then our designers and our sales team will come out and show you the products in your own home. But if you want to come and see other things, and if you want to come and see what we're all about, then everybody's welcome here, and there's lots of coffees and teas and biscuits.